go drink some Coke from Coca-Cola World.
Pharmacy right here in Atlanta, Georgia, and that pharmacy was called Jacob's Pharmacy. Although unfortunately, this pharmacy no longer still stands. However, you can visit where it once did, because there is a plaque to commemorate its memory about a mile away from where you are right now, on what is currently Georgia State University campus. So if you ever get a chance to see this wonderful plaque, you will get to see where Coca-Cola began its now 136-year journey. Welcome on in, everybody. Welcome on in. As you make your way down the ramp, all the way down, take as many photos and videos around the room as you would like. We'll be here for just about 7 to 8 minutes or so before we begin your journey here today. So take advantage of the moment, as what you see before you is about 200 authentic artifacts dating back to more than 100 years of Coca-Cola's history. And while Coca-Cola does have more than 500 brands underneath its belt, we have dedicated this room to loft exclusively and solely to our #1 flagship brand of Coca-Cola Original.
Okay. This is Foo's tea from Georgia. It's good. This is the Fanta Blue Raspberry from North America. We're at station number 2 and we're going to try the drinks. No, not the whole stack. A drink. Okay, let's try this. So I'm having kissed pizza from Panama.
Germany. Try it.
That is good. This is going to be the best one I can tell because of these two and that. Let's try this one.
All this?
I have no idea what is this one. Regular. This one is my favorite. That one is at Chipotle too. This is the Fanta Apple, and I have never tried it before, but let's go ahead and try it. Wow, it's so good. So I see Fanta grape, I see Fanta orange, which everybody knows. This will be my last one. This is the Fanta grape, which I love grapes, but I'm sorry my stomach cannot take it anymore.
Whenever there's a beat, there's always a song. Whenever there's fun, there's always something for love. The stars will always shine, the birds will always sing. As long as there is dirt, there's always the real thing. Coca-Cola, always the one. Whenever there is fun, there's always Coca-Cola. Yeah.
Coca-Cola.